Okay. Hi guys, Steph here. Now it's that time of year again. I've come round to my grandchildren's. What I'm doing, I'm going to help them write out some Christmas cards. I'm here with
Mia.
She's my personal assistant, and
Mason.
he's our head of international security. And also this year, we've got a third member of staff, and this is Ernie. Say hello to Ernie, people. Okay, so what we like to do is just wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching last year. Thank you for subscribing. And a big thank you to, there's some people that have actually supported me financially. So a big thank you to you people. It's very much appreciated. So we'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous and safe 2021. Have you got a message, Mia?
I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
That's lovely. Mason?
I would like to wish you a very Merry Christmas as well.
Excellent. So have a great Christmas, have a great New Year, and don't forget, wherever you are around the world, stay safe. Okay, should we get on writing these cards?
Yeah, have you got a pen, Grandad?
Have I got a pen? Of course I have.